Hi, in this video I wanted to present the next mechanic that I added to the game. One of them is a respawn system. So whenever a player dies, whenever a player's HP reaches 0, like after fighting those slimes, he will play a death animation, which will immobilize him and after a while respawn him at the beginning of the level with full HP, which allows for multiple playthroughs in case of a failure. The other system is a checkpoint system that basically whenever a player falls off the level into like the pit, like infinite void over there, or into pits of lava for example, there is a system that monitors players' movement, and if at any point a player stands on a solid ground for longer than a second, like here I am now, every second the player leaves behind a checkpoint, which is set as it's his respawn point if the player falls into a pit. So if we were to jump across here and stand here for a second, then if I now jump off into the pit, the player will respawn on the platform. However, if I go across here, and fall down, it still teleports me there, but you can test that out by just crossing here, jumping here, but then immediately jumping again and falling down, and it still respawns me in the same place, which means that during like fast platforming sections, player can just cheat by checkpointing ever so often. Player also cannot put a checkpoint if he's on the moving platform, just to stop the player from respawning him there and falling down after the platform moved.